Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install IPA files on an iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Screen Time. From there, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions and tap on iTunes and App Purchases. Under Installing Apps, make sure it is set to Allow. Then, go back to Allowed Apps and ensure Safari is enabled. Next, open Safari and search for an IPA downloader. Type Free IPA Download and select a reliable site. Once on the site, choose the IPA file you want to install. For example, if you want to download GarageBand, type GarageBand in the search bar and select the latest version. Tap Download Now and confirm the download. After the file is downloaded, Safari will generate a download link. Tap Download Now again and the App Store will open. Click Get and the installation will begin. If your iOS version is compatible, the IPA file will install successfully. So that's basically how you can install IPA files on an iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.